Come test drive the 2018 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.